Have your dowsing rods gone rogue? Have you done the law of challenge and on the third time you got to know? Well, this is not the time to freak out. It's okay. Don't throw your rods or whatever divination tool you're using across the room and go hide. It's fine. Have no fear. I will share with you on what exactly you should do when this happens. Hi, and welcome to the Healing Girl channel. I'm Tia. And a lot of you had subscribed to the channel or you have dowsing rods and you've been watching or you watched my how to use dowsing rods video. And some people seem to have questions, but if you are running into something like this, don't be afraid. It's just a little jokester coming around trying to, do a little disruption. It's really not an evil entity. So it could be a little dark, maybe not, but you can handle this. Okay, you got it. So without further ado, let's get into this. So what is the law of challenge? The law of challenge is one of 33 laws that Christ implemented for your protection in the third world of light and dark. So to protect yourself, it's important that you practice this law. So if an entity enters into your space and you challenge them with this law, on the third time, an honest answer must be given. Okay. So if you do it 2 times, that's not enough. You need to do it a third time. If they say yes, all times, you're clear. The third time, if they say no, then you got a jokester on your hands. Okay. So if you don't know what the law challenge is, it's in the name of Christ. Are you of the highest and purest light? Okay. And on that third time, they should give you a yes. If they give you a no, when this no happens on the third challenge, do not be afraid. Okay. Remember, if you are connecting with spirit, you are a powerful being on your own. Okay. You're a powerful spirit on your own. You need to ground yourself, take a deep breath. Don't be afraid and stand in your power. Okay. And I want you to state to the entity very firmly, please leave. You are not welcome here. Do not attach yourself to anyone else. And please leave and go to the light. All right. Direct that spirit right out of there. Okay. And I promise you, you'll be just fine. So you want to start over with your prayer. I've already given you the prayer in the previous video. So please go watch that video if you just started with this video. Okay. There is a previous video. This is the second part to that. So you want to start over with your prayer and repeat the challenge. Okay. So I'm going to show you how it goes. All right. You want to bring your dowsing rods like this. And of course, I've already done mine earlier, but that's okay. So my spirit guides, they go this way for yes, and show them a no, spirit. That's a no. Okay. Others, everybody have their different ways of, communicating with their spirit. So yours may go out, both go out for a yes, and they may cross for a no. Okay. So you start off with your prayer. You say, I close my aura to everything but my higher self, God consciousness, my guardians, and my spirit guides. And I ask Archangel Michael to protect this space so that it is only of the light. Amen. And then you can do the challenge. Okay. And you want to start over and repeat this challenge. Okay. You want to do it 3 times. All right. So you want to say, in the name of Christ, are you of the highest and purest light? Spirit will give you a big yes. Mine is very nice and gave me a big one. In the name of Christ, are you of the highest and purest light? They gave me a big yes. All right. And the third time you want to ask, in the name of Christ, are you of the highest and purest light? They said yes. Okay. That is the time. Well, thank you, Spirit. I appreciate it. That is the time when you want to make sure that third time is not a no. Okay. So, and then if it is a no at that time, you ask for that spirit to leave. Okay. And you say it in firmness. Don't be afraid. Your spirit guides are right there. They won't let you get hurt. Okay. And now I just want to release my spirit guides. Thank you so much, guys. They cross over for me to say goodbye. So what I want you to do, and I hope this helps, if you are struggling with getting your rods to work, or if you're having issues with your rods, I have an affordable one-on-one, session to help you troubleshoot, and it's down in the description, and it can help you. I can help you get yourself acclimated with your dowsing rods. It's not hard at all. And let's get you connected with your spirit guides. I'm sure they would love to have a relationship with you as well. So and they will also let you know that it's not time for you to. So it could be that as well. So if you would like my help, look down in the description box and check me out. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. A lot of you are watching but not subscribing, and I would appreciate if you help this little old channel out. Okay. And I wish you well, and I hope that it works out for you. Until next time. Bye, guys.